Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on crypto.com using a bank transfer. First, ensure your crypto.com account is fully verified. This involves completing identity checks to meet regulatory requirements. Next, you'll link your bank account, which is a crucial step for funding your wallet. Always review the security protocols to ensure your financial information remains safe throughout the process. This foundational setup is key to a smooth experience. Once your account is ready, you can fund it. Navigate to the Fiat Wallet section and select Deposit via bank transfer. You'll be given specific bank details, including a unique reference code. Ensure these are accurately entered when initiating the transfer from your bank. Processing times usually range from 1 to 3 business days, so plan accordingly. Your funds will appear in your Fiat wallet once cleared. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that simplifies investing and financial independence. You can find the link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With funds in your Fiat wallet, buying Bitcoin is straightforward. Go to the Buy option in the app and choose Bitcoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. You can then specify the amount you wish to purchase, either by entering a Fiat value or a Bitcoin quantity. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming. Your new Bitcoin balance will then be reflected in your crypto wallet almost instantly, ready for you to manage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.